Hello and welcome back to Taya's YouTube. My last words to you in the last video were I'll see you tomorrow. But unfortunately I was already coming down with something that laid me low for a couple of days, so I didn't get a lot of work completed. But in the meantime, these two center panels, they came down several more times and I was getting extremely frustrated. Here I was sicker than a dog and not able to fix my panels. When someone came over and visited, someone very dear to me, and she brought her nail gun and she nailed them to the wall. They're not going anywhere now. But unfortunately, it's not something I would recommend because once these panels come down, there's going to be a fair bit of repair work that has to be done to the wall. But so be it. At least now I know for sure that these panels are not going to come down while I'm in the middle of my season showing my village off. So on the agenda now is to complete this train tunnel. I have got it started. I did little bit by little bit and it's looking fairly good. The planning is good, but there's some things that I need to change yet. I'll show you how the train runs right now. Let's hope it doesn't derail while we're showing it. It goes under the tunnel, it comes out here, and of course, it gets stuck. There we go. So that's the way the train's going to look. I had to add a small panel here to accommodate the bend in the track. It simply won't fit. It's simply too wide for the size of the diorama. So I just added a small piece to accommodate this section here. So it's looking good right now. So I'm going to continue with that work, and I'm also planning to work on the face of this to make it look like cliff. I've done that before in previous years. I will just score all of this and paint it gray with white streaks to make it look like a rock face. On top here, I will be planning another layer on top, up here. I have to stabilize it just a little bit more because it tends to tip over. But I will be putting another layer on top with another platform for houses so that the houses will be staggered in different levels, at different levels. I think that will look nice. Of course, at the back here is still space for the wires to go back down to the power bars. As you can see, the power bars are mounted on the wall. Step by step. Once this platform is all done, then I will be planning where all the houses go and all the buildings. And I will be marking the spots for the wires to come through for the lighting. But we're not there yet. So stay tuned. Here we go. So I'm all done for the day. I've accomplished pretty much everything I had set out to do this morning. The tunnel is complete, and the front of the tunnel has been roughed up to make it look like a rock, and I've also painted it for the first coat of gray. Once that's dry, I hope to dry brush it with burnt umber, and once that's dry, then I hope to dry brush it with white to make it look wintry. I'm also hoping still to add another platform to the back of that straight section, and do the same thing to the front of it to make it also look like a cliff. Smaller cliff, but a cliff nonetheless. And then I can take everything off because I haven't glued anything down. I can take the top platform off and the lid off and plan on where I'm going to put all the houses so that I can access the power bars along the wall. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Not too bad, coming off of a sick bed, but I'm feeling much, much better, thank you. Please like and subscribe, it really helps my algorithm. I have trouble with that word, algorithm, that's what it is. And I'll see you in the next video, and we'll keep going, we'll keep completing, we're starting to make some progress now. I want to wish you peace and blessings and a wonderful evening. Goodbye.